everyone, welcome to Nutz About Cars. Thought I'd check in with you guys right away today, see how everybody's doing. I was able to get some work done. So as you guys know, I picked up those wheels at I had picked up those wheels in Indiana, and I had mentioned before that those wheels that I picked up down in Fort Wayne, Indiana, were needing a little bit more refinement or restoration work. So I had picked up a pair of basic wheels from somebody down in Illinois, and happened to work in the same town that a friend of mine from work lives in. So he picked them up for me and delivered them to work. So these things are basic Fiero Sport wheels, and they were rusty, but they got brand new tires on them. So with these rusty wheels, the video you're gonna watch is I just basically went through and sanded them, taped them off, sprayed them with Rustoleum silver paint. I mean, it's basically a $9 can of spray can, a rattle can of paint. And for what I wanted to do with the 84, it'll be perfect, and it'll buy me some time until I get the turbine wheels finished up and cleaned up and everything that I need to do with them. So you guys enjoy the episode. Please like and subscribe if you like the content. Final tire, the final wheel. Got it all taped up, ready to go. I ran out of one can, so on one can of Rustoleum metallic spray paint, I basically did 4 wheels, but I couldn't get the second and third coat done. So basically 3.5 wheels on one can of spray paint. And I don't know what I'm doing, so people that actually know what they're doing probably can do eight wheels with one can of spray paint. Not me, though. We put it on thick. So usually I've been going a quarter turn and then I spray another coat and go another quarter turn. Oh, and I have the wheels set on a propane tank. It was perfect for these steel wheels. So this is what I'm using. Meguiar's Lifetime or Ultimate Insane Shine. You're looking good. Alright, all that's left is to get them on the car. They're shined up, ready to go. All the tape's been removed.